Ever wondered what it would be like to have the power of a super AI at your fingertips? Well, wonder no more. What if you had access to one of the world's most powerful AI models for free? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Let's dive right in. We're talking about Grok, the brainchild of Elon Musk's startup xAI. And guess they've just open-sourced this behemoth under an Apache 2.0 license. Now, for the uninitiated, Grok is a large language model boasting staggering 314 billion parameters. Quite a numeric mouthful, isn't it? The term Grok, for those of you hitching a ride on this AI journey, is borrowed from Douglas Adams's Hitchhiker's Guide series. It's a nod to the sci-fi world that's becoming more real with each passing day. The open sourcing of Grok isn't a generous move. It's a strategic play aimed at accelerating the development and adoption of AI technologies. Imagine the possibilities this could open up, but also the concerns it might raise. So what does this open source release include and exclude? Well, let's dive right into it, shall we? Elon Musk's startup xAI has generously decided to open source Grok, a large language model with a mind-boggling 314 billion parameters. This isn't just a casual sharing of a hobby project, folks. This is a major contribution to the field of artificial intelligence. But hold on, what exactly does this open source release entail? Well, the release includes several key components. First off, we have the model weights. In layman's terms, these are the values that the model has learned from its training data. They're the secret sauce that enables the model to make its predictions. So, getting access to these weights is a bit like getting the recipe to a world-class chef's signature dish. Next up, we have the documentation and code. These are like the cooking instructions and kitchen tools you need to recreate the dish. With these in hand, AI enthusiasts and developers will have a clear roadmap on how to implement and use Grok. However, the release isn't an all-access pass. There are a couple of things that aren't included. The original training data, for instance, isn't part of the package. This is the raw material that was used to train the model. Also excluded are real-time data streams. So, while you're getting the tools and instructions, you're not getting the exact ingredients used by the chef. Interestingly, Grok is being positioned as an alternative to OpenAI's ChatGPT. It's like a new player just walked onto the field, challenging the reigning champ. Now, only time will tell how this competition will shape up. In essence, you're getting a powerful AI model, minus some key elements. But hey, that's still a pretty exciting prospect, wouldn't you agree? Now, as you can imagine, this move has garnered quite a bit of attention. The open sourcing of Grok has elicited a mixed bag of reactions. On one hand, the AI community is buzzing with excitement. The decision to make Grok open source has been hailed as a bold move, a push to accelerate the pace of AI development and adoption. The release includes model weights, documentation, and code, providing AI enthusiasts with a treasure trove of resources to dive into and learn from. However, it's not all roses. There are growing concerns about the potential misuse of such powerful AI capabilities. Critics argue that Grok's 314 billion parameters could fall into the wrong hands, leading to unforeseen consequences. They caution that the repercussions could be far-reaching and potentially damaging. This dichotomy of reactions underscores a key point about AI. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. As with all powerful tools, the key lies in how we choose to use it. So what does this all mean for the future of AI? Well, visualize this. A universe where AI evolution and acceptance are not just confined to a handful of technology behemoths. Grok's open sourcing fuels us towards that reality at a groundbreaking speed. Its 314 billion parameters are now accessible for anyone to experiment with under an Apache 2.0 license. It means more intellects, more concepts, more innovation, the fundamental spirit of open source. But power always comes with responsibility. The potential for misuse of such a potent tool is a worry that we cannot disregard. Grok's capabilities are extensive, and while they can thrust us into a future populated by AI-led solutions, they could also be manipulated for less honorable objectives. It's the quintessential double-edged sword situation. As we stride into this revolutionary phase, it's not just about rejoicing over the democratization of AI. It's also about ensuring the ethical use of this technology. We need to cultivate an environment of morals and transparency in the AI community that keeps up with the pace of technological advancement. It's a thrilling time for AI, but it's also a time for vigilance and responsibility. We're on the brink of a new frontier, and navigating it will mold the future of AI and ultimately our world. And that's a wrap on Grok's open sourcing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.